Are you kidding me? How is this now controversial for you idiot millennials? Seriously, you guys can't take a joke. Howdy y'all, my name is Rational Outlaw and you're watching RNN. So the 25th anniversary of Friends is coming up in this September, and according to BuzzFeed, the show has not aged well. Loving Friends in 2019 requires a level of mental gymnastics that should force the show to remain a forgotten blip in the past. List any of your favorite episodes, and there's likely something grotesque buried in the plot. Chandler's father is inexplicably and unnecessarily a drag queen played by the cis actor Kathleen Turner, and is a source of many an anti-trans punchline. Ross's ex-wife is a lesbian, and isn't it funny that her son has two mommies? Really? You're gonna complain about this? I've seen some of those clips, and they're hilarious. They're not homophobic or transphobic. Also, Friends received a GLAAD award in 1995 and was nominated in 1996 and 97. And for those of you who don't know, a GLAAD award is for good representation of LGBT issues. They also go on to complain about them making fun of fat people. Who cares if they make fun of fat people? Fat people are funny. And of course, the other thing they complain about is that there's not enough black people. Listen here, Buttercup, who wrote this god-awful article. The show aged fine. You were the one who didn't age well. Seriously, it's garbage like this that makes me hate my generation. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, support my content if you really like the video. Thanks for watching RNN. I'm your host, Rational Outlaw, and I'll see y'all later.